Hello friends, I hope you're doing well, and here PowerPoint presentation file with different categories and a report with no image. You can include your image, and here art PowerPoint black and yellow, modern elegant pitch deck. Okay, auto motion presentation, but these are protected. First you need subscription for access on my file. Go to sherry.pwt.com. Just one-time payment for lifetime access. Okay, open this one. Here 25 slides, last thank you, and global market, invention growth. Okay, you can change anything or import image. You see here, you need 3 images, here 2 and here 2, just one. Our green January annual report 2024. Next, here theme file and here main file. Total slide 25. You can change everything. You can import image. Okay, 2024. Next, here theme file. Okay, PPT and PPTX file. Professional. Here 20 slide. Meet our team. You can import your team image with name. Market risk and challenges, investment opportunity. Okay, I know you know how to edit or how you to customize. Here presentation, automotive. Okay, 25 slide. And last Swiss drive 2024, 25 slide. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me. Take care. Allah Hafiz.